Do you want to grow perfect tomatoes at home? It's a wonderful experience, nurturing a seed into a plant that provides fresh, juicy tomatoes, brimming with flavor and nutrients. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to growing perfect tomatoes at home. First off, choose the right variety of tomato to grow. There's a cornucopia of tomato types out there, from beefsteak to cherry, each with unique characteristics. Some, like Roma or bush tomatoes, are particularly well suited for home gardens. Picking the right variety sets the stage for a successful tomato garden. Next, ensure your tomatoes get plenty of light. Light is vital for their growth, driving photosynthesis, the process that fuels their development. Tomatoes require at least 6 hours of sunlight daily to thrive. Remember, the more light, the better your tomatoes will be. Water and fertilize your tomatoes properly. Tomatoes thrive with consistent moisture and balanced nutrients. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing soil to dry between watering. Use a slow-release fertilizer high in phosphorus and potassium. Proper watering and fertilization will help your tomatoes thrive. Keeping your tomatoes safe from pests and diseases is crucial. Common foes like aphids, tomato hornworms, and diseases such as blight can wreak havoc on your plants. To shield your tomatoes, consider methods like introducing beneficial insects, using organic pesticides, or rotating crops. Regular inspections can also help catch issues early. For diseases, preventative sprays and proper spacing to allow airflow can drastically reduce risks. With these tips, your tomato plants will be well protected from pests and diseases. So, are you ready to grow your own perfect tomatoes at home? Let's quickly recap. Choose the right variety, ensure plenty of light, water, and fertilize properly, and protect your precious plants from pests and diseases. Now, with these tips in your gardening toolbox, you're all set to start your tomato journey. Remember, patience is a virtue in gardening. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.